In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose and change eBay store name. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your account and what to consider, so your store name looks professional, is easy to remember, and aligns with your brand. Make sure you're signed in on a desktop browser for the clearest view of the menus we'll use. Start on the eBay homepage. Move your mouse to the top right and hover over My eBay. This opens a quick menu with shortcuts you'll use often as a seller. From that menu, click Selling. This takes you into Seller Hub, which is your control center for listings, orders, and store settings. Inside Seller Hub, look for the store option and click it. This is where you manage your storefront's branding, layout, and, of course, the name. If you're setting up or updating your store features, you'll see an option to choose subscription. Click that. Your store name is tied to an active store plan, so this is the place where eBay lets you enable or adjust the subscription that unlocks store branding. Next, click Review Store Plans. Here you can compare what each plan includes, such as listing allowances and marketing tools. Take a moment to think about your selling volume and growth goals. A plan that's too small may limit what you can do, while a plan that's larger than you need might add unnecessary cost. When you've identified a plan that fits, click Select and Review. This opens a detailed summary so you can confirm the choice. Look over the features and pricing and make sure the billing cadence matches your preference, whether monthly or annual. Now, you'll see a field where you can type your store name. This is the moment to lock in a name that works long term. Keep it short, clear, and brandable. Avoid special characters and anything that might confuse buyers. Don't use someone else's brand or anything that could violate policies. Make sure it reflects what you sell, but is flexible enough if your inventory expands. If the name is taken, eBay will prompt you to try a variation, so have a couple of backups ready. Read the name out loud to check how it sounds, and look at it in plain text to confirm it's easy to spell and search. That's it. You've navigated from My eBay to selling, opened your store settings, reviewed plans, selected the one that fits, and entered your new store name. Give the system a little time to update the storefront and links across eBay. If something doesn't look right, revisit the store section in Seller Hub to make adjustments. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.